I've seen a trend blow up during the 2026 World Cup, where viral World Cup moments are being turned into anime football videos. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these anime football short videos yourself. First, go to AI Centuries and open the GPT library. Then, under YouTube Automation, start a chat with this GPT model. Once you're redirected to the GPT, you'll see three options: create a character sheet, create a storyboard, and create video prompts. We'll start by creating a character sheet. So click that option and the GPT will ask you to either describe your character or upload a reference image. In this case, we're going to upload a reference image of our character. Here we uploaded a reference image of Cristiano Ronaldo as an anime character. Once you send the image to the GPT, it will create the exact prompt you need to generate the character sheet. Copy that prompt and head over to OpenArt. Click Create Image, and to create the character sheet, we're going to use GPT Image 2 as the model. So select it and upload the same Ronaldo reference image. Then paste in the prompt, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and set the quality to high. Once everything is ready, click Generate. The result will be a full character sheet of Ronaldo showing him from multiple angles, along with the most important accessories related to him. Once your character sheet looks good, go back to the chat. Now here at the bottom, the GPT will ask if you would like to create a storyboard based on that character. And that's exactly what we want to do. To continue, we simply reply with the information it needs. This includes the scene idea, the duration of the video, the number of shots, and the narrative explaining what the scene is about. For this example, we want to create a cinematic anime penalty scene where Ronaldo places the ball on the penalty spot, powers up, prepares for the shot, and takes a dramatic penalty kick. So this is the information we're going to use. It's important to be accurate here because the more specific your input is, the better your storyboard results will be. Also, make sure to attach the character sheet you just created. And once you send everything, the GPT will create a detailed storyboard prompt for you. Now copy it and head back to OpenArt. Remove the old prompt and the previous reference image, then upload your character sheet as the new reference. Once attached, paste in the storyboard prompt, and with the same settings as before, generate the storyboard for your video. When it's finished, you'll have a storyboard matching your scene. For my case, we see Ronaldo placing the ball on the penalty spot, powering up, shooting the ball with immense force, and scoring the goal. Once you're happy with the storyboard, clear the prompt box. For the next step, we're going to create standalone images based on the storyboard. This gives us stronger visuals to work with before turning the scene into a video. To do this, we're going to use Nano Banana 2, upload your storyboard, then write a simple prompt saying that you want to generate the first shot of the storyboard as a standalone image. When you click Generate, it will create that first shot as its own image. Then repeat the same process for the other shots. Once you've completed all of them, you'll have every shot from your storyboard as a standalone reference image. So, based on our storyboard, we now have a full set of reference images that we can use to create the final video. For this step, we'll be using CDance 2. I start by uploading the storyboard, then I also upload all the reference images I created from the individual shots. Next, go back to the chat and copy the video prompt, then return to the video creation tab, paste the prompt into the prompt box, and for the output settings, we'll set the duration to 15 seconds and an aspect ratio of 16:9. Once everything's ready, click Generate, and when the video is finished, you'll have a cinematic anime video of Ronaldo preparing to take the penalty. For the final step, upload all your generated videos into any editing software you like, arrange them on the timeline in the correct order, follow your storyboard, and refine the pacing until the video matches your vision. Once everything is edited together, you should have a final video that looks like this.
すべてはこの瞬間のためにある。恐れはない。心と体が一つになる。さあ、行くぞ。今だ。すべてをぶつけろ。これは俺の運命だ。
That's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.